All right. So we have this problem up on the board. It just says when 5.15 moles of lithium reacts with sulfuric acid, how many moles of lithium sulfate then are produced? This is the very first type of problem that we had gone over this semester. And how would we even start or approach this? Since this is reaction stoichiometry, you have to have a reaction. That's right. Okay, so let's start with lithium, which is what? Li. Okay, so it's reacting with sulfuric acid. Okay. So what type of reaction does this look like? That's right. How do you know that? Okay, so we talked about this at the time that we would work on these problems. What is perhaps the one mistake is going to first? Okay, well, you tell me what to put over here. Okay, and why might that be the number one mistake that is possibly made? Well, it's something that you can forget very easily because hydrogen's diatomic. Okay, so this 4 goes over here because it's part of the formula. It's just a coincidence that that 2 was there to balance out the compound. Okay, so why is this 2 here? Sulfate's got a -2 charge. Lithium has what? Yeah, because it's in the same column as that of hydrogen. Okay, so then as we look at this, where does our 5.15 go? Okay, so 5.15 moles of this is asking how many moles of lithium sulfate are produced. Kind of out of space, so we will put X amount of moles of that substance. Okay, so we got a reaction. Do we need to balance anything? Yep. All right. We've got 1 lithium on the reactant side, 2 lithiums on the product side. So what do we need here or here? Okay. Is that it? Yes, that is it. Okay, then looking a little forward, we said that this might be the first place that we could make a mistake. Okay, what might be the second place we could make a mistake? Maybe this, okay, balancing it, and are we going to use that 2 again? Yes, we will. So now, you tell me, how do we go forward from here? Okay. All right. We're still in class, though. We're mean but fair. Would we agree? The mean part, maybe not the fair. But, all right. So, what's our next step then? Can we get from this side of the equation to that side? We can, as long as we do it in a specific manner. And that is what? It's a ratio. That's your clue. Mole ratio. Okay? The reason that this step is so important is because it allows us to do what? Change what we have, which is a conversion. Change what we have into what? Because we've got this. Yeah, so we can convert it what it is that we're looking for. So does lithium, does that go on top or the bottom? Okay. And then what goes on top then? I'm just going to put LS for lithium sulfate. Is there anything left in this part of the problem? Okay, so in front of that lithium, we need to put a 2 down here. Okay, so those are gone. We're in moles of lithium sulfate. That's what we're looking for. So what does that give us as far as how do we finish this then? Multiply? Okay. So 5.15 divided by 2. 2.157. 7, so that's going to be a 6 mole of LiSO4. Okay. That was the first type of problems that we had gone over. Then this was mole to mole. We've done mole to mass. We've done mass to mole, and then we went straight mole to mole. 4-step problems.
It's 2, 5.
Oh. Okay. I guess it should be a little further north of 2.5. That's right. Okay. Long time ago. Not so bad. So rut row, second row, third row. Well, we can just presume that we understand. Just keep right on clipping right along, too. Well, we don't want to leave anybody behind. All right. Okay, so there's our introduction into these problems, and we will pick up with this tomorrow. And I think it's just a good idea just to have a nice, slow progression. Some days we'll work a little longer. Some days, okay, not so much. But it is your opportunity for watching this to laugh at all of us poor souls that are still sitting inside today. But regardless, no season's winding down, and you ladies and gentlemen are performing well, so keep up that good work. Just as well in the classroom as on the track and fields. All right, we'll catch up to you next time.